How to change Facebook password if forgotten. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account. After that, click on the three lines at the top right of the screen, then click on Settings. From the Account section, click on Password and Security, and from the Login section, click on Change Password. And since you forgot your password, clicked on it, Facebook will redirect you to this page where you can get a code to log in via email or your mobile number that you used to sign up your account with. Click on Continue. Once you get the code, you need to copy it and paste it here, then click Continue. And after that, Facebook will allow you to set a new password, and then you need to retype that password to confirm it. Then when you save it, your password will be changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Facebook password when you forgot it. As you can see, actually I have got the email right now. Anyway, that was how you can change your Facebook password in case you forgot it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.